Hi everyone, Mr. Willis here. Today we're going to be learning how to create your own photo booth to photograph your artwork. Now, this is a great skill to have, and it's something that can be easily made using just the stuff that you can find in your own home. Here are the basic things that you're going to need. A flat surface to set your work on, a background, a light source, a phone camera, some masking tape, a piece of paper, and a really dark room. Now the background should be a white or light color. Poster board and butcher paper work best, but a blanket or sheet works great too. You could also use a towel, a pillowcase, or even a white shirt at the very least. The surface you set your project on could be an end table, a decorative drawer, a stable box, or a step stool. Tables and countertops work too. Even the floor works well. For your light source, a standard work light works great, but a bright flashlight or even a desk lamp would work well. Oh, and don't forget, you need a really dark room. I'm going to use just a plastic tote for my flat surface. Have your surface near a wall if possible. Next, I need to tape a piece of paper around one edge of my light. This will block the light behind my piece to create the contrast in the background that we need. Now the background can be hung up. I'm going to use a towel. It is not the best choice for the background, but I want to show you that even the less ideal backgrounds can still work. Just use some masking tape to tape it to the wall and drape it so that it lays flat against the flat surface, but is draped hanging a little bit forward from the wall. Now we can hit the lights and take our pictures. Have it completely dark except for your one light. Use the paper to block the light in the back to create a shadow behind your piece. Move the light back and forth to find the ideal spot for the light. While holding the light, take the picture with your phone in your other hand or have someone take the picture for you. Just snapping a picture in the middle of the room will leave your colors dull and your picture filled with distractions. But with your homemade photo booth, your results will be stunning. Good luck everyone. I can't wait to see your photographed work.